Yeah, in your face. Murder music, dude. What you gonna do when the heat in your face? What would you do when the heat in your face is a day? Turbulence affecting the earth, so here we go. Yo, how many more passengers must die just trying to go and fly? Trying to get up more miles, dude? Or you're trying to go see somebody you really wanted to see? See how the hit go. You won't even know. Universities filled with nothing that helping humanity because they going in for the wrong reason. No one don't wanna be what they supposed to be. No doctors to really go and see. So what we gonna use when humanity can't even breathe right? Cancer sticks killing us quicker than we know. Can't go where I go, so you don't wanna see the path I see. Yo, maybe you gotta go underground too. Will you have a bomb shelter when the ink come with you? What? Will it be the terrorists come get us? ISIS and attacks yesterday. Oregon State, watch out your face, yo. Below in the motherfucking low, how low can you go? Get skied to death. Heroin addicts walking around, you don't even see their arms stretched out. What? Lay them down like patients now. But you ain't got no doctor to go fucking see. Get it now. So what the good? What do you say? You got health care for what? So you can get a shot. So we'll probably get a more mix and probably get a burst flu full of fucking flu. What? Ski up the virus skit. You can't see how ridiculous your statements get. So I put you on the post and send the bitch out, get it. No more rents, no more receipts, no more tickets. Just do what the fuck you wanna do, cause you do that anyways. Your mentality is on fuck, yo. Like you got two screws in one set. You can't even feel the fucking wood grain. Right, yo, the pattern backwards and all indented. It's all made of trying to shit fucking backwards skit. Like I gotta rap backwards for you to get it. Like Led Zeppelin, take the record and get it. Yo, what horrifying shit can you see, dude? I'm not Dr. Thompson, but I come and talk to you with two feather pens beside you. Got one notepad, only two pieces of paper. What up with this cat, yo? Is he really writing shit? Does he care, yo? See the energy in your flow, even when you go to DC as a psychologist teacher, yo. So you can learn more, so you could be a psychiatrist on the other side, yo. But really nobody cares what you saying to us, yo. $125 just for 30 minutes. Can I get a witness? Or do I slap you before you understand you just got smacked, dude? What? Heartbeat effect. You can't chick chat in the back because you just a lab rat, don't even know. In the laboratory to my soul, send my skin glancing off my bone. And I can't grab no more cane, cause somebody stole it again. What? I sit in fame booth, so I don't need no more Hall of Famers in my face, cause I do that to myself. Look in the mirror and I felt myself do something different to myself. That's where I grab it, pull it down in my throat, start freestyling, buck back, got a metal gap for your back, yo, you won't even know. Uncontrolled the blue plastic 22 and 02, what the fuck up with you? Pull the shit out the heat quick, cause you don't know my shit. Gray, green, fuck around me, I jump out the saddle and the wings still flickering in the back. You don't see how I collapse your rim tactics, cause they all whack, cause I don't even care about that. Who really cares where you go and what you bling and do your thing? What? Who really cares, yo? You better walk with the only, so you have somewhere so way, so you know where to go. Push them off the balcony so we can't really see no more of the earth feature in the film or what? Who really cares, yo? Because you just another one suited up in the orchestra when the rent's going on late night in your flick. Because you don't trust your bitch, but just you with the skits. Fucking around with strippers late down on Saturday nights. Don't see how you get attacked by the demon raps. What? He wrap you up, look like a gyro, yo. What you gonna eat? Pork or the motherfucking lamb, dude? Watch how I run with you. Do I do what I do? I roam at land's blood too. Shabazz with it. What? I bust raps too. So what we come through if we got a buck a gat? Do that. What? I don't even care about the extremity of your remedy, cause you ain't rapping like remedy, so get out of this shit. You ain't even worth a quarter. So yo, you better go watch your son and your daughter before you have no places to see. But there you go. Routes you won't wanna see no more. Wrong turn 3, watch how I be, yo. Watch the houses on the low. All scary flicks, that ain't no horror flick, that's real type shit, get it?